So we can start. We have two different servers over here. First one is for the default Flask main interface, which we are using the test and the session purpose. And the second one is for text to speech model. So we have two different APIs over here. So first of all, we have two different samples as well. This is the first sample.
It's like to have other people form opinions of you without even knowing you.
And this one is the second sample.
Inspire you. And of course, you'll have motivation if you play a sport, if you're in drama, if you're in band. You'll
Training of the model. Now I can log in. Before login, I cannot start. So it says login first. I did initially created this voice sample for the second woman's voice. I will train the model on this one. So we can name it as, you can see we have saved this one. And then we can start the session and go to begin test. So it is processing the voice. It is converting that text to speech from the background. So it will take some time for this particular step, as this is a complex model.
Hello, I'm your assistant. We'll do a short memory and thinking check. Ready to begin? One moment, wow. Ready to begin.
Start the test automatically. It will start asking me the questions.
Please remember these three words. Apple, table, penny. Now, please repeat them back to me.
Apple, table, penny.
What day of the week is it today? I'll...
Monday. Saturday, but I've said Monday, so let's see what will be the impact on the overall.
What month is it?
August.
What city are we in now?
Delhi.
What season is it now?
Winter.
Please. Repeat numbers back to me. 7, 2, 9, 4, 6.
7, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Please repeat these numbers back to me. 7, 2, 9.
7, 2, 9.
Count backward from 20.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13.
Name any current event that happened recently.
Rain.
Name as many animals as you can in 30 seconds.
Lion, cat, dog.
Complete this. A dog barks, a cat. E. Wow.
Meows.
What is 15 plus 9?
24.
Please subtract 7 from 111 and tell me the result.
24.
Tell me about your morning routine. You.
I don't know.
Describe a place you enjoy visiting and why.
Park. So I've incorporated as many.
Tell me the steps to cook dinner from getting ingredients to serving.
Turn on the gas, then cut the vegetables, and then do all the necessary steps.
Now, please tell me the 3 words I ask you to remember.
Apple, ball, cat. So I believe this was the last question. And overall the session, I have tried to answer some questions wrong and some questions right. Then we will see what are the final scores.
Thanks for completing the check. Here is a quick summary of your results.
overall it comes as 30%. Attention needs attention, calculation, because I did one correct, one wrong, so it gave 50%. Uh, delayed recalls are there, so speech, language, memory, these things are completely nil because I did very wrong in that. And so this is the overall conclusion. You can just check and validate. So this is how it is working currently. I will just give you the sample of the second voice as well, how that one is performing. Then we can conclude this one. So sample voice I have chosen. So that was a female voice. Let's see how response is coming for that one.
Hello, I'm your assistant. We'll do a short memory thinking check. Ready to begin?
I think I'm choosing. I will create an. I'll just clean it again.
Hello, I'm your assistant. We'll do a short memory and thinking check. Ready to begin?
So this is the complete project working video, and if you're in doubt then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching any type of project ideas then you can also visit the website. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you're new then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.